Before you store your crypto in blockchain.com wallet, pause for a moment, because most people think all crypto wallets offer the same level of control and security. The surprising truth is that small differences can have big consequences. Blockchain.com wallet is one of the oldest and most widely used crypto wallets. It allows users to store, send, receive, and exchange cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You won't believe what happens next when beginners realize how easy it is to get started. Setup takes just minutes, and the interface is very beginner-friendly. The wallet offers both custodial and non-custodial options. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They don't understand the difference. With non-custodial wallets, you control your private keys. This means you are fully responsible for your funds. If you lose your recovery phrase, your crypto is gone. Blockchain.com wallet includes built-in exchange features, allowing users to swap crypto directly inside the app. This convenience is great for beginners, but fees can be higher compared to external exchanges. Security features include two-factor authentication and backup recovery phrases. However, it is still a hot wallet, meaning it's connected to the internet. For large amounts of crypto, cold storage may be safer. The surprising truth about blockchain.com wallet is that it's ideal for beginners and everyday transactions, but not for advanced users managing large portfolios. If this crypto wallet review helped you stay informed and safe, subscribe for more honest crypto guides and reviews. Title start how to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once for PC title BND script start if your YouTube liked videos list is completely out of control. You are not alone. Most people don't even realize how fast it grows until it turns into hundreds or even thousands of videos. The surprising truth is that YouTube does not offer a simple delete all button, but there is still a safe and fast way to clear your likes at once on a PC. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They try clicking each video one by one, which can take hours. You won't believe what happens next when you use the built-in bulk tools inside your browser and YouTube's layout. First, open YouTube on your PC and make sure you are signed into your account. Click on your profile picture and go to your data in YouTube. From there, choose YouTube and select Manage your YouTube history. Now open the likes and dislikes section. This area controls your activity, not just the visible playlist. Next, open your liked videos playlist from the YouTube sidebar. Scroll all the way down until no more videos load. This step is important because YouTube only selects what is visible on the page. Now press the three-dot menu at the top of the playlist and choose Remove All Liked Videos. If that option does not appear, use the browser console method. Press Ctrl, Shift, and J on Chrome to open the developer console. Then paste a short command that repeatedly clicks the Remove button automatically. This simulates manual removal, but does it in seconds instead of hours. You won't believe what happens next. Your entire like list clears in under a minute, and your recommendations reset. Many people notice their homepage feels fresh again, with more relevant content instead of old habits controlling the algorithm. The surprising truth about YouTube likes is that they directly affect what the platform shows you. Clearing them gives you a clean slate. If this tutorial helped you take control of your account, subscribe for more smart tech tips.